So doing one of those routine maintenance tests that often doesn't get done often enough. So we're cleaning out the washing machine. Normally I just pop one of those cleaning bricks in there, but you really got to get in and clean this ring too. Look at how nasty that is.
Give a little bit of loving, just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of loving, just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed.